Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to fix YouTube Vanced when it's not working and showing the following content is not available on this app message. YouTube Vanced is an amazing third-party app that offers ad-free videos, background playback, and more. But sometimes, we encounter issues. So, if you're facing any problems with YouTube Vanced, this video is for you. Clear cache and data. The first step is to clear the cache and data of the YouTube Vanced app. Follow these easy steps. Go to your device's settings. Find the Apps section and locate YouTube Vanced. Tap on it and select Storage. Click on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Update YouTube Vanced. Outdated versions of YouTube Vanced can cause issues. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Here's how. Visit the official website of YouTube Vanced. Download the latest version of the app. Install the downloaded file following the on-screen instructions. Check internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for YouTube Vanced. Verify your internet connection by visiting another website or trying to play a YouTube video on the official YouTube app. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it before opening YouTube Vanced again. VPNs or proxies can sometimes cause issues with the app. Reinstall YouTube Vanced. If none of the above solutions worked, you can try reinstalling YouTube Vanced. Just follow these steps. Uninstall YouTube Vanced from your device. Go to the official website of YouTube Vanced. Download the latest version of the app. Install it on your device. Conclusion. And there you have it. These simple solutions can help you fix YouTube Vanced when it's not working or showing the following content is not available on this app message. We hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any other solutions or queries, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech content. Stay tuned and happy YouTube Vanced ing!